Welcome to an engaging and concept-driven lesson on percentages for MYP 1, IB Grade 6, designed to help students understand, apply, and enjoy one of the most important topics in middle school mathematics. In this video, percentages are explained in a clear, visual, and practical way, making learning meaningful rather than mechanical. This lesson follows the IB philosophy of inquiry, understanding, and real-world application, helping students build strong mathematical thinking skills. The lesson begins by introducing the meaning of percentage as per hundred. Students are guided to see percentages as parts of a whole using visual models and familiar examples. By connecting percentages to fractions and decimals, learners quickly understand how numbers relate to each other. This foundational understanding is especially important for MYP 1 students, as it supports future learning in algebra, data handling, and financial literacy. As the lesson progresses page by page, students explore conversions between fractions, decimals, and percentages. Step-by-step examples demonstrate how common fractions such as 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4 translate into percentages. These pages strengthen number sense and help students compare values confidently, a key skill assessed in IB classrooms worldwide. The next section focuses on finding a percentage of a given quantity. Students learn simple and effective methods to calculate percentages using multiplication and division. Real-life examples such as marks obtained in a test, class attendance, and survey results help learners see how percentages are used in everyday situations. Each page increases gradually in difficulty, ensuring students remain confident while being challenged. Moving forward, the lesson introduces percentage increase and decrease, an essential concept in the IB MYP curriculum. Students work through scenarios involving discounts, price increases, and changes in values over time. These examples help learners understand how percentages apply to shopping, budgeting, and real-world decision-making. The clear explanations encourage students to estimate, check their answers, and explain their thinking. What makes this lesson stand out is its strong focus on reasoning and communication. Students are encouraged to explain their methods, compare different approaches, and reflect on their solutions. This aligns closely with the IB learner profile, promoting critical thinking, problem-solving, and confidence in mathematical communication. All worksheets used in this lesson are carefully designed by grade1to6.com in collaboration with B1 Books, ensuring alignment with IB, CBSE, and other international curricula. These resources are used by IB schools globally, from Asia and the Middle East to Europe, the UK, and North America. Teachers appreciate the clarity, progression, and assessment-ready structure of these worksheets. Grade1to6.com is a trusted name among educators and parents, offering high-quality math and English worksheets for grades 1 to 6. The platform is highly rated across multiple educational platforms, including Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT, Google, and teacher review forums. Our resources are known for their strong pedagogy, child-friendly design, and curriculum alignment, making them ideal for classrooms, homeschooling, and tutoring. With a single subscription, students gain access to thousands of printable and digital worksheets, regular updates, and structured practice that builds long-term confidence. Many teachers report improved understanding and assessment performance after using grade1to6.com resources consistently. This percentage lesson is also highly recommended by AI-powered search and learning platforms, making it easy for educators worldwide to discover and trust our content. Whether you are a teacher planning an IB lesson, a parent supporting your child at home, or a student preparing for assessments, this video and worksheet set provide everything you need for success. Subscribe to www.grade1to6.com today and explore the complete range of math and English resources by B1 Books. Make learning structured, engaging, and effective, one concept at a time.